Even the best-laid fitness plans can struggle to survive a hard day in the office. So why not squeeze your gym session into working hours and multitask your way to a dream body? Keeping your health in mind, companies have been coming up with new inventions and machines. A great innovation today is the desk exercise bike, also referred to as desk bikes. Provided that you are having issues in maintaining the gym hours, the desk exercise bike come as a quick blessing for your health. Replace your office chair with it, and you can spend the entire day working and still manage a perfect metabolism level. If you're considering buying a desk bike for yourself, then stay tuned. This video will help limit your options and choose among the most preferred brands in the market. We reviewed 5 top-selling products based on their performance, user experiences, and beneficial features to help you pick the best one that will answer your needs. Now, let's begin. Coming strong at our number 1 position, we have the Flexispot All-in-One Desk Bike Deck Size Pro. Flexispot has been refining their desk cycle and desk bike product line over the last few years, and the new Deck Size Pro is the culmination of their efforts. It stands out from other bike desks on the market with its ability to function as a standing desk, sitting desk, or desk cycle all by itself. The Deck Size Pro is a funky mashup of a desk and a bike, but somehow looks stylish and modern. We're big fans of the white color frame and black accents. White is a much easier color to live with, as it matches nearly any office or house and is neutral. Black is also available and looks great as well, and overall the design is very aesthetically pleasing. You can really type, write, read, have a call, work on a sketch, or complete any other activity usually reserved for non-bike table or desk while pedaling on a Flexispot. The bike is quiet enough not to distract you during use, not to mention the fact that it won't bother nearby co-workers or be picked up on a phone call. It's also stable enough not to vibrate or shake as you spin, so you won't churn up any typewritten emails or handwriting. The Flexispot features 8 different resistance levels, and the lowest of which is an easy, breezy spin that you could keep up for hours. At the top level of resistance, prepare to break a sweat while burning hundreds of calories per hour, which for me, working at home, is great. But if you work in an office, maybe keep it moderate and enjoy enhanced blood flow and a bit of cardio without the sweat dripping down your shared workspace. To sum up, Deck Size Pro from Flexispot offers more functionality as its fully fledged workstation as any desk cycle we've seen. It does this while maintaining a low price point with user-friendly features like auto-locking caster wheels and a 1-minute assembly time. Before we continue with the next products, we want to share some great news for all the viewers that enjoy traveling. The team of ReviewTube has launched a new YouTube channel called Hotel Review. We're dedicated to providing the best travel advice by offering the best places to stay when you want to visit a new place. We've researched dozens of hotels in many places, and we'll only show you the best picks, all aimed to help make faster and better booking decisions. We've left a link of our new channel in the description below, so make sure to check it out and subscribe over there as well. Now, let's continue. Next on the list, we have the FitDesk 3.0 Desk Exercise Bike. The FitDesk 3.0 has an almost identical design as its predecessor. It feels very sturdy with a steel frame and some aluminum components. The only plastic part is the desk on the front. The frame can be folded a little for easy storage and transportation. When you look at the workstation, you will see that it's very similar to previous models because it has 16 inches deep and 19 inches across and has a non-slip surface that you can work on with your laptop without it moving around. Plus, if you would prefer to use tablet devices, it now includes a built-in tablet holder, which is a very cool feature. In addition, it also has easy access storage tray, as well as forearm massage rollers that will prevent any discomfort while you're working on your computer for long periods. With regards to the exercise bike itself, it may not be as impressive as some of the top-end upright bikes, but it will still give you a decent workout because there are 8 magnetic resistance levels that will enable you to vary the intensity of your workout during the day and burn more calories if required. Your workouts are guaranteed to be smooth and quiet because of the twin-belt high-velocity flywheel, and the bike itself is designed to be as comfortable as possible because it has a beach cruiser-style seat with a fully adjustable padded backrest and an extender that allows for upright and semi-recumbent use. At our number 3 position, we have the Exerputic Exerwork 1000. With the Exerputic Exerwork 1000 exercise bike, you can not only perform workouts, but also do your work. This bike has a large, fully adjustable desktop with forward, backward, up and down directions so you can work while sitting and standing. The exercise bike itself may not be as impressive as some of the conventional upright bikes, but this Exerputic Exerwork 1000 should still be more than good enough for most home users. That's because it has 8 levels of magnetic tension that will provide a wide range of resistance and has a solid steel frame construction that can support users up to 300 pounds. However, the workstation is obviously the key selling point of this machine, and this one looks impressive. That's because the actual work area is 24 by 16 inches, which is larger than its rivals and is strong enough to hold a phone, tablet, or laptop without any problems. It even has a pull-out storage drawer that you can use if you wish. You will also see that this work desk also includes a small built-in LCD display, just like a standard exercise bike, and will give you some useful performance data such as speed, distance, time, calories burned, and pulse. Talking of comfort, you'll find this bike comes with an air-soft seat that allows air to flow through it so it doesn't get too hot. Furthermore, this seat is quite large and has a lot of padding, so it should therefore be comfortable to sit on for long periods. Did the first 3 products make you want to go out and get one for yourself? Hold up, because we have more products to feature. Meanwhile, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button to join our growing community. And while you're at it, you can click the bell icon as well so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Now, let's continue. At number 4, we chose the Sunny Health and Fitness Recumbent Desk Exercise Bike SF RBD 4703. Sunny Health and Fitness SF RBD 4703 is a modern and sturdy recumbent desk-type indoor exercise bike for cardiovascular, aerobic training in the comfort of your own home. The Sunny SF RBD 4703 features a very sturdy construction. All the parts in its frame being made of steel tubing, the bike can support users of up to 350 pounds, which is quite impressive for a non-commercial model. The only plastic parts in the construction are the flywheel covers, the desk, and the covers of the base bars. There's a modern LCD display with indicators of distance traveled, calories burned, time exercised, scan that shows each standard indicator one by one, an odometer that shows the distance since the unit was used for the first time, so you can check and monitor your workout. It's belt-driven model and it has adjustable magnetic resistance with 8 levels. The large desk section measures 26.5 by 15.5 by 4 inches and is removable. You can put your book, tablet, or laptop on it, and you can go for longer distances because you'll be distracted and not bored during your workout session with your mind elsewhere. You can mount and dismount very easily thanks to its recumbent design, which is good for people with mobility issues. It comes outfitted with a large padded seat and backrest, so you can exercise longer and stay comfortable. To finish our list, we have the Lifespan Unity Bike Desk. The Unity Bike Desk combines the health benefits of cycling with the efficiency of a traditional desk, converting sedentary time to productive exercise. With power-free operation, silent pedaling, and spacious working surface, the Lifespan Unity brings focused activity to home, classroom, or office. At 31.5 inches wide, the desk has plenty of room for your laptop, office phone, and other essentials, though we recommend measuring your office space before buying one. There are even small hooks on the side to hang your bag and jacket as you pedal. You can also adjust the height of the seat up to 7 inches, though the desk is high enough, so you won't have to worry about banging your knees while you're spinning on it. Comfort starts with a large contoured seat designed to distribute your weight over a large surface area, more like an office chair than an exercise bike. Next, to accommodate a variety of shoe types and sizes, the pedals are almost 9 inches in length, supporting a large portion of the foot rather than just the ball of the foot. Finally, the unit pedals are placed further out in front of the seat than a traditional bike, reducing knee movement and placing your feet in a more comfortable position, more consistent with working at a desk. As easy as riding a bike, the Unity Stationary Bicycle Desk delivers greater overall health and enhanced mental stimulation during traditionally idle activities, including homework and study hours, screen time, and office work. There go the 5 best desk bikes on the market today. We surely hope that this video will help you in deciding which one is best for you. If you find any of the other featured products interesting, just click on the link below to get them at their best prices. Please join our growing community by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon for notification. Don't forget to write a comment below if you want a product to be reviewed in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time.